Hello and welcome to our video about some of the new fun features that have been rolled out with the Salesforce Summer 19 release. As well as new features, the Summer 19 release also contains updates to existing features. We are going to be looking at some of the new features and updates that we feel are particularly helpful to make your Salesforce the best it can be. The first feature we are going to talk about is the enhanced related list feature. We all know that related lists are incredibly helpful when navigating from one record to another and showing relevant information. With the enhanced related lists feature, you can now show up to 10 columns of data, resize and sort those columns, perform mass actions and wrap the text. These features mean that you can view all of the information you need to see without having to click into the records themselves. Another new feature that has been brought to related lists is the ability to filter them. Instead of having to search through all of the records under your related lists, now you can apply a filter using the filter tool, just as you would on reports and list views. Once again, this allows your users to find exactly what they are looking for easily. Moving on from related lists, another feature that has been brought out with Summer 19 is the ability to add in-app guidance. This feature allows your admin to implement pop-ups to tell your users about helpful elements of Salesforce. You can have these prompts appear, pointing out new functionalities or links to helpful articles and trailheads, wherever and whenever you would like. You can also limit the visibility of these prompts via permissions and measure your users' interaction with them. These prompts may help in pointing out new features during a rollout or may be a useful way to give your users helpful tips and tricks. Another new feature that has come out with Summer 19 is the new view option of record pages. Originally, you had the standard Lightning page layout, but now your admin can configure the record page view to either the grouped view, which you will be familiar with, where all of your data is grouped by tabs, or the full view, which allows you to see all details and related lists on the same page. This feature is obviously dependent on how your users like to view their data, but can reduce clicks by having all of your data on one page instead of under different tabs. One of the other notable features that has come out with Summer 19 is the notification builder. Before, when an event happened, you could ask a generic notification to be sent when, for example, a case was logged whilst a deal was being closed through Process Builder. You can now customize these notifications, making sure they say exactly what they need to and are sent to exactly who they need to be sent to. This allows your users to not only always stay up to date because they have been notified, but also makes sure that the message they are notified with states exactly what they should be notified about. Finally, not necessarily a new feature, but something to note is that the survey editor within Salesforce is now free, meaning that you can create your own surveys specific to your business for free. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.